This is Varsha's Education Academy. See, in this session we are going to see the topic of Laplace transform and region of convergence. See, already I have uploaded the same things in our previous video, but the mode I have uploaded is somewhat difficult to view those documents. So once again I am re-uploading the same session again. So please try to solve these three exponential signals on your own. If you see in our last video, you can solve these three exponential signals on your own. Please try to solve these three things on your own. If not, refer this video. Find the Laplace transform of e power minus at u of minus t and determine the region of convergence. Right? See, it is a e power minus at is the exponentially decreasing signal. Then u of minus t. See, u of minus t is the step signal, but it is a left-sided signal. Right? This is a u of minus t signal. See, then we have to multiply these two things, right? We have to multiply these two signals to form e power minus at u of minus t. E power minus at u of minus t, right? E power minus at and u of minus t we are going to form. So that multiplication of these two things will give you a left-sided signal, right? So, see, the signal is a left-sided signal. So, x of t e power minus at u of minus t is a left-sided signal. So, Laplace transform can be written as 1 by s plus a, but one negative sign will come over here. Why? Because of this negative step signal, right? So, now we are going to find a pole for this function. So, pole in the sense denominator is equalizing to 0. So, by equalizing this denominator function to 0, s plus a is equal to 0. So, s is equal to minus a. Now, we are going to plot this sigma j omega axis. This is the s domain plot, right? Is the real axis, is the imaginary axis. Now, I am going to plot this pole. S is equal to minus a. Then, I am just drawing a line which is parallel to this imaginary line, right? Now, see, the signal is a left-sided signal, right? So, the region of convergence should be at the left side of this pole. The region of convergence should be at the left side of this pole. So, the expression can be written as ROC is to real part of S which is less than minus A. This area is said to be less than minus A. So, we can write it as real part of S that is less than minus A. Right? This is the region of convergence for our given problem. See here, e power at u of t. U of t in the sense it is a right-sided signal. Here, u of t na the right-sided signal. U of minus t na left-sided signal, right? So, you just remember this value. U of t na right-sided signal, u of minus t na left-sided signal. Okay? If u of minus t is there, we need to take it as minus 1 by. See, here we are having u of minus t, so I have taken minus 1 by. Right? So, e power at u of t. So, u of t can be written as 1 by s. So, for e power at, I just substituted it as 1 by s minus a. See, it is a right-sided signal, so real part of s is greater than a. If it is a right-sided signal, it will be greater than. So, real part of s will be greater than. See, here is a left-sided signal. So, the real part of s is lesser than a. Okay. See, here it is. The pole will be s is equal to minus a. So, the real part of s will be greater than minus a. Here it is u of minus t. So, it is left-sided signal. So, s is equal to minus a is our root, is our pole. So, real part of s is lesser than minus a. Right? Now we will see the third example. Find the Laplace transform and region of convergence of a combined exponentially signal. E power minus t u of t plus e power minus 2t u of t. First we will take these signals individually. First I have considered x of t is equal to e power minus t u of t. See here u of plus t. அப்ப இது என்ன signal? Right sided signal. Right sided signal in the sense x of s will be 1 by s plus 1. See here also u of plus t. So it is also a right sided signal. So 1 by s plus 2. Now we are going to add these two signals and we are going to find the poles for these two signals. இதுக்கு என்ன pole வரும்? s is equal to minus 1. இதுக்கு pole எப்படி கண்டுபிடிப்பீங்க? s plus 2 is equal to 0. அப்ப s is equal to minus 2. Now this is the sigma j omega axis, that is real imaginary axis of s domain. Okay, now I plotted the two poles. S is equal to minus 1, s is equal to minus 2. See, those two see here u of t, u of t. So these two signals is a right sided signal. So we have just plot the region of convergence to the right side of these two poles. See here, for 1 by s plus 1, the region of convergence is in this area. Right side of this, s is equal to minus 1. See, for s is equal to minus 2, this signal, the region of convergence will be right side of this pole. At this pole, right side of this pole. So, see here, these are the common area. That is greater than minus 1 is the common area. That is common area which is covering these two signals. This is the region of convergence of the combined signal. Right? This is the region of convergence of the combined signal. So, we can write it as region of convergence, that is real part of s greater than minus 1. So, this area is to be greater than, so greater than minus 1 is the correct answer for the given problem. See the next example. Find the Laplace transform and region of convergence of e power minus 3t u of t plus e power minus t by 3 into u of minus t. இதை பார்த்தோடனே நீங்க சொல்லலாம், இங்க வந்து u of plus t இருக்கு, so it is a right sided signal. இங்க u of minus t இருக்கு, so it is a left sided signal. Now we are going to find the Laplace transform. So Laplace transform of exponential signal is 1 by s plus 3. For this one, 1 by s plus 1 by 3. But see here we are having negative sign, so minus symbol over here. So we are going to find the poles. Poles for this expression is s is equal to minus 3. Poles for this signal is s is equal to minus 1 by 3. Now we will just plot this graph. Plot the region of convergence. This is real axis and this one is our imaginary axis. Right? So this is our s is equal to minus 1 by 3 pole. This is our s is equal to minus 3 pole. Right? See, this s is equal to minus 1 by 3 is a left sided signal. So its region of convergence will be left side of this pole. But this s is equal to minus 3 is a right sided signal. So its region of convergence will be in the right side of this pole. So this area, this in between area between this pole minus 3 and minus 1 by 3 is the common region of convergence which is covered by this combined signal. So the region of convergence is said to be real part of s, that is it is greater than minus 3 but it is lesser than minus 1 by 3. It is greater than minus 3 but it is lesser than minus 1 by 3. This is the answer for the combined region of convergence for the given signal. Right? If you are having doubts, please mention it in the comment box. Thank you all. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, do subscribe my channel.